Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope very well. I'm going to be doing, it's raining, so I'm going to be doing a little video at the park today. Just made a hot beverage, so if you missed that video, it'll be description and also at the end. Let me use the same tripod and Trangia setup that I use. Because why bother bringing out multiple cooking devices? I do have a stove behind me. Let's show you what we got and we'll get to it. Here's today's lunch. Unboxings really aren't my things, so that doesn't work like I was hoping. So we have mac and cheese and biscuits and gravy. So I'm going to be trying these two meals out. So I'm actually going to be eating the biscuits and gravy first because that's one of my favorites. Cause I want to really judge them and see how good it is. All right. The directions in the back calls for 1 cup of water. There we go. Alright, so it also says to remove the O2 absorber. Oh, cool. Right on top. So these are not good to eat. Here's what it looks like down inside the bag. So we got chunks of sausage, fairly good sized pieces of biscuit to me. So the total weight is 3 ounces. The camera will focus on it. Really, camera? And we got your nutrition facts, which I don't think will show, and then the directions. So one nice benefit about a cup of water is that boils fast. And of course, like any other meal, pour the hot water in. Give it a nice stir. Make sure you get down to the bottom and wedge out those pieces. Alright. We're gonna let that, now it says 15 to 20 minutes on the bag, so, and to stir it every 5 minutes. Alright, well, go ahead and stir it, because I forgot to look at the clock when I sealed it, and then I remembered I didn't look at the clock, so I went ahead and looked at the time. So it's been about 5 to 8 minutes. Alright, I'm actually getting ready to eat, but I wanted to say first, I owe you one mac and cheese, My Honey's Kitchen video. Which maybe next week. Well, I'll say maybe next week. So go ahead and give this a taste. Alright. This guy opened up. There you go. That will show. A little crunch with the biscuit still, but I actually like that though. So I think it gives it a little bit more texture. A little hot. I'll tell you what, that sure tastes good though. But I really appreciate the fact that I can taste a lot of pepper. And if you watch my videos, you know I like a lot of peppers. So it's got white flour, milk, baking powder, butter, onion, but I can't taste them. Sausage, and then it's My Honey's Kitchen Texas rub and salt. My Texas rub me when I'm tasting. I will say though, I'm digging the flavor. Even though it's got onion in it. For those of you who don't know, I'm not a fan of onion, but oh. I could see myself enjoying this out on a camper, or even just a day outing or a hike. And these guys have a 25-year shelf life too, so you order a bunch, stock up, throw them in your emergency preps for home. I mean, you know, and then down the road, if you end up buying more, just trade them out. Or first in, first out. Well, I'm gonna go ahead and finish eating this, and I'll catch you in a few. Wow, 3 minutes. All right, so first impression, it was a good meal. I really like the flavor. Good stuff. The My Honey's Kitchen Texas rub, which is listed on the greens. It has a little bit of spice to it, which I like, but if you're really sensitive to spice, that might be something to think about. I like the full flavor. It's got I wouldn't say it was spicy, but it's got a bold flavor, which I dug. So if you like bold flavor, then you might like this. If you like your food bland, like I know people who do, it might be a bit much for you, but like I said, I enjoyed it. So I could see getting a few of these and just having them around in case. So I'm gonna be doing the mac and cheese next. You know, mac and cheese and biscuits and gravy are like kind of the two things I'll judge a company by. If you do a good job with mac and cheese, and the rest of your meals have got to be gotta be good too. And there's actually two methods for cooking this one. There's a put it in the bag, but there's also a method too where you actually cook it in a pot. So I might try method 2 with this one, just to kind of compare the differences. Now I don't know if you have to actually cook it. It doesn't say if you. It says remove it, pack it in a pan, add 3/4 cup of water and bring to a boil and add contents. But it doesn't say to turn the heat off or to keep it going for 15 to 20 minutes while constantly stirring it. Well, stir every few minutes. I'd imagine you gotta sit there and cook it because it won't have the bag around it to hold the heat in. So yeah, so we'll try this one next. And of course, I do thank you for watching. I'll make sure to put the company's link down in the descriptions. You can go check them out. And I noticed they had seasonings, they had these other meals, they had some apple crisp, which I ordered. I got a little excited and I hit the send to buy, and I noticed, oh, they had apple crisp. So I'll probably order that next, just because it's nice to have a little sweet now and then too. So yeah, anyway, thanks for watching. We'll catch you next one.